Hi, people. Hi.
Stop it.
Ah.
Stop it. Ah. Sonic, wait for me. Ah. Hey.
And go with your friend.
Hey. Stop it, Knuckles. That's not nice. Hey.
I'm gonna kill you.
No. Ow. Ah. Stop it. Ow. Ah. Help me. Sonic, help me. Ah. Ow.
I am the people.
Ow.
Knuckles.
Stop it, both of you. We need to introduce the Sonic Show. Stop, we need to introduce the Sonic Show.
Bye.
Alright, well, hi everyone. Welcome to the Sonic Show.
Okay, now it's time to start.
No. That's not it. No. Ow. Guys, come on. We need to go into the B-25 bomber. Ow.
There is no such thing.
Yes, there is. Ow.
I hate you, Sonic. I hate you. You gotta stop it, Dad. You are all worthless.
You guys, look, the B-25 bomber's here. Hey, come on, guys. Let's all go for a ride.
Yeah. Hey, wait for me. Hey, the B-25. My turn.
Although I can fly by myself.
Well, that was fun.
I can fly by myself though, Sonic.
No, don't fly by yourself. No. You can't fly, Tails. I can't watch. That was horrible.
Stop it! I'm on fire!
Alright, well, bye.